Hi, my name's Lewis. I'm here to talk about something that happened to me a few weeks ago. I was going to go and pick up a new car. Um, didn't really know where I was going. So I borrowed a friend's sat nav. Grabbed a taxi. Turns out the taxi guy didn't know where he was going either. Half an hour later, 28 quid later, finally get there. Squared all the money up with the guy, signed everything off, and I just spent a bit of time getting used to the controls in the car. I put the sat nav on the window. Got used to the sat nav, what functions did what. Then I keyed in the postcode and set off. About 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, I get to a roundabout. It says take your second exit. So I did. And then it said take your next left. And I could see the car. I could see this car coming down the road. I didn't think anything of it. And as I'm about to turn in to this road, I see the no entry sign. And then I quickly swerved, and he swerved, but we swerved in the same direction, and we hit each other head on. And his airbag just blew up. The next thing I remember, after clearing this airbag, looking into this other guy's car, I can't comprehend what it must be like to turn round and to see your baby girl dead. Why did he put a seatbelt on? Why? All he got was a poxy fine. I'm looking at 5 to 7 years. 5 to 7 years! I can't